Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best metallic bakeware is probably one of the most essential tools in any baker's arsenal, and today, we're diving deep into the world of these kitchen staples. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or a weekend warrior in the kitchen, the right bakeware can make all the difference. We'll explore what makes these pans stand out, and how they can elevate your baking game to the next level. Number 5. Chicago Metallic 4-Piece Nonstick Toaster Oven Set. This set includes a baking pan, cooling rack, roast cake pan, and muffin pan. It's perfect for small batch baking and reheating your favorite foods. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel, it ensures superior heat conduction and even baking. This set is oven safe up to 450 F and features a durable nonstick coating. All pieces nest together for compact storage, making it ideal for RVs, small kitchens, and single-serving meals. It's the perfect companion for countertop ovens and air fryers. Great for baking muffins, cookies, small cakes, roasting vegetables, and reheating leftovers. The cooling rack even doubles as a baking rack. It's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to extend the product's life. The non-stick coating ensures quick and easy cleanup. What we like? This set is a complete solution for your toaster oven needs. It's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who enjoys single-serving meals. If you are looking for a convenient and compact bakeware set, this is the one for you. What people say. These are perfect in size for my air fryer oven, also good on regular oven. Love that food doesn't stick, easy to clean. I have had this baking set for about 2 years now and there's still not a scratch. This set came in and fit absolutely perfectly. I can actually cook in my toaster oven now with ease. Especially since the set came with multiple styles of pans, the options for dinner are wide open. Very sturdy pans. Would buy again. Number 4. Chicago Metallic 1-Pound Nonstick Loaf Pan. This pan is perfect for all your baking needs. You can make homemade bread, delicious cakes, and even savory meatloaf with it. The heavyweight carbon steel construction ensures durability. It's designed to withstand frequent use in your kitchen. It features folded corners and wire rod reinforced rims. This design helps prevent warping, ensuring even baking every time. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking. This makes it easy to release your baked goods and simplifies cleanup. It measures 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches. This size is ideal for creating perfect loaves and other baked goods. What we like? This loaf pan is designed for both sweet and savory baking. The heavyweight carbon steel construction ensures it can withstand frequent use. If you like baking pound cakes or meatloaf, this pan will be your new favorite. What people say. The results are just awesome using these pans and makes all the difference in consistency. The non-stick works beautifully and cleans up easily. Very sturdy and easy to clean. Good size for gifting loaf pan cakes. I like this pan better since the heat goes around the baking cake, and they cook evenly, rather than the pans that have the rectangles together in the pan and sometimes you have spots that don't get done. Number 3. Chicago Metallic Nonstick Baking Sheet Set. This Chicago Metallic set is perfect for all your baking needs. You can bake jelly rolls, cookies, and even roast vegetables with it. Made from heavyweight carbon steel, it ensures even heat distribution. This means your baked goods will always come out perfectly. The non-stick coating makes easy release and cleanup. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. The set includes 2 baking sheets and a cooling rack. The sheets have reinforced rims to prevent warping, and the rack is perfectly sized. This baking sheet set is designed for easy storage. It can be stacked with other baking sheets, saving you valuable space in your kitchen. What we like? This set is ideal for baking a variety of dishes. The non-stick coating ensures easy release and cleanup. If you are looking for a versatile baking sheet set for cookies, jelly rolls, or sheet pan meals, you should consider this. What people say. The pans are sturdy and durable, with a non-stick surface that ensures easy release and cleanup every time. They cook evenly and perfectly. They are strong. They feel expensive because they're thick throughout, and evenly through the pan. And the rack as well, no stick. We baked cookies perfect. OH, and the best part, you get 2. Wait, what? All 3 pieces. That's insane. Mine came flawless and not dinged. I feel bad for the others. Number 2. Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 Jelly Roll Pan, set of 2. This set of 2 pans is perfect for a wide range of baking needs. From jelly rolls to pizzas, it handles it all with ease. It's a must-have for any kitchen. The set includes 2 cookie sheets, each with interior dimensions of 16.75 inches by 12 inches. This provides ample space for various recipes. It's a great addition to your bakeware collection. Whether you're making cookies, pastries, or even a one-pan meal, this pan delivers. It's designed to handle both sweet and savory dishes. You'll love the results. The pan evenly distributes heat, ensuring consistent baking every time. This feature helps achieve perfect results. You can rely on it for all your baking needs. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel, this pan is built to last. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and designed for frequent use. It is a reliable choice for any baker. It features wire rod reinforced rims to prevent warping. This design ensures the pan maintains its shape over time. This feature adds to its durability. What we like. This set includes 2 cookie sheets, perfect for making jelly rolls, cookies, and more. The heavyweight aluminized steel ensures even heat distribution. If you are looking for a reliable and durable cookie sheet set, this is a great choice. What people say. They are very sturdy and did not warp while baking. It doesn't buckle, it bakes evenly, and it doesn't burn your food, especially when used with a silpat mat or simple parchment paper. This is a thick, heavy pan. Made well like all Chicago Metallic products. Just made focaccia in it at 450 F and no warping, etc. Bread came out easily. Number 1. Chicago Metallic 9-inch nonstick round cake pan. This pan ensures perfectly flat and even crusts. It prevents puffing, bubbling, or shrinking, making it ideal for all your pies. This eliminates the hassle of traditional pie weights. Its single-piece design allows for easy placement and removal. The unique perforations allow heat and airflow to evenly bake and brown your pie crust. This helps avoid soggy bottoms. Made from sturdy materials, it's oven safe up to 450 F. It's ideal for baking quiches, fruit pies, or pre-baked shells. Designed with a flexible silicone edge and smooth surface, it cleans up quickly. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe. What we like. This pan ensures perfectly flat and even crusts for all your pies. The unique perforations allow heat and airflow to evenly bake and brown your pie crust. If you like making quiches or fruit pies, you should consider this. What people say. I like the fact that these are not just for baking for me. Of course I use them for that, but also to cook food in my air fryer. I love the versatility of these pans. I like that they came in 3 different sizes as well. The material they're made out of is good as long as you take care of them. They are also easy to clean and I would definitely recommend. These are nice, heavy-duty 9-inch cake pans, 2 inches deep. They feature a no-stick surface that worked well for me. The sides on these pans are not tapered, which means that you get nice even layers, with straight sides perpendicular to the base. The metal on these is much thicker than your typical off-the-shelf cake pan, which assure more even heating, and also that the pans are not easily warped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.